Hi, I'm Subha and I am making this quick video about my latest Amazon KDP income report. You can see during March 2026 I have made over $582 in book royalties. 17 books are selected. These numbers are from one pen name or one KDP brand, and just below you can see the day by day graph just below. This was my total KDP income. Let's see how many units sold during the month of March. Here on the orders tab, 200 orders processed, 17 books, March 1st to March 31st, 2026. You can see the bar chart as well. Let me show you my total expense. I was only running Amazon ads for these books and I spent a total of $25.20 in the Amazon Canada marketplace. I got 140 clicks, 21 purchases and 211 in sales, and I made a total of $582. If we see by marketplace, select Amazon United States. In the Amazon USA or Amazon.com, I made a total of $413 without running ads. These are totally organic numbers. So if we go to the Amazon Canada, I made a total of over $164 in Amazon Canada, and my ad spend was only $25.20. The other marketplace I got a single sale was Amazon Japan, and I made $4.16. I will also show you the orders by marketplace from United States. I got 148 sales and I made a total of over $413. Similarly, in the Canada, I got 51 sales. In Japan, I got 1 sale. So these are my numbers from selling medium content books on Amazon KDP. If you go to the last month, I made $436, and during March I made over $580. That was very good increase in terms of sales and income, and I am quite happy with that. I will continue to run ads in Amazon Canada, and I will also run ads in Amazon USA. So these are my numbers and these are my sales and income report last month, $582. If you have questions, do let me know in the comment section, and if you want to learn Amazon KDP for free, you can check out my blog lowcontentprofit.com. Link is in the description below. There are some recent posts like my top 3 passive income streams, how I find low competition Amazon KDP niches, 3 big Amazon KDP mistakes, and if you want to learn the step-by-step process, you can check out my very beginner friendly Amazon KDP course that is actually named as Amazon KDP for beginners. It is currently $20 off. You can see $20 off will be applied at checkout. The discount code is already applied. You can name a fair price. In that course, I will teach you step-by-step process of how Amazon KDP works, how to create an account, how to find niches, to check your niche ideas for trademarks and copyright, then how to create high quality KDP interiors, and then how to create covers. A lot of information is included in that very beginner friendly course, and it is currently $20 off for a limited time. Check out the link in the description below. See you in the next video.